The Bible says in Proverbs, the 18th chapter, and the 21st verse, death and life are in the power of the tongue, and those who love it shall eat its fruit thereof. Which means that if you are speaking negative, you are speaking death. If you are speaking positive, then you are speaking life. And what is interesting that I discovered is this, is that when we are talking and having conversations with people, we are picturing the words that are coming out of their mouth. So if I say, don't think about a pink elephant, what you just did was you thought about that pink elephant because your mind only think of the picture. And so we have to be careful on how we speak, because we can eat rotten apples or we can eat a ripe apple. Just like the Bible says, you will enjoy the fruit thereof. So I want to encourage you to start speaking positive, especially around your children, so that we can encourage one another and inspire one another with our words instead of giving them death and destroying people's lives. My name is Pastor Sylvester Brown. You enjoy your day, and may God bless you. Take care.